What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today's a sad day. I broke one of my RX 580s, as you can see. It's not mining. Alright, so as I just showed, the RAM size is not showing here on the screen. You can see the 8 gigabytes, so it's 8,192 megabytes. Now, this one doesn't have anything. So, it registers in HIVEOS. I tried to reflash the BIOS. The thing's not reflashing. So, something on the card is not giving power to the VRAM side of the PCB. So I'm not really sure what I can do to check this. I mean, we can try to replace fuses, do some continuity tests. I actually already did that on the PCB itself. And yeah, I ended up finding one side of the resistors weren't getting continuity back, but Matt Electron said that's not how you do it. So I don't know. I guess let's open this thing up. We'll look over the card. I'll strip it down again, and you guys can tell me if you guys see anything that might be wrong. So let me shut this down real quick inside HIVEOS. So looking right here, you guys can see number 11 right here on the Octominer number sheet. Tells you the order of the GPUs. So it's the fourth one over, which would be this guy right here. This is the one that's not registering the memory. Now, I've actually taken this card out already previously, and I've moved it to this slot. And then what it does is it moves it up to slot 10, as you can see right here on the sheet. And then it still doesn't register in this slot, but this card will work. But if I move the card that doesn't work right now over to slot 0, none of the cards register inside HIVEOS for their memory, which is extremely strange, and I don't know if there's a reason for that. Maybe it's backfeeding or something. I really am not sure at all. But yeah, so either way, this is kind of crazy. It's really blowing my mind, and I feel like I may have done something wrong, but as you guys might know, last Friday, we repadded all of these GPUs with some brand new GPU Risers thermal pads. If you guys need any of these, please go check out gpurisers.com. There's a link down in the description as well as a discount code. But I need to strip this thing down. I'm going to take the heatsink off and the back plate and all the other things on this so you guys can see the bare PCB, and then I want you guys to let me know if you notice anything on this, because I really am at a loss. So let's hear a word from today's sponsor, and I'll strip this thing down, and we'll be right back.
FluxPools.net would like to announce a miner appreciation program where they will be giving one lucky miner $1,000 in Flux every month for the next 12 months. Flux Labs is operated by the people from the Flux team, and their main goal is to provide a safe and transparent mining experience. While the Flux project does not take directly from the pool, FluxPools.net does give a portion of their fees back to the Flux project because they understand that both the project and the miners are what makes the pool possible. Entering the 1K monthly giveaway is easy, and here's how. Bind to the pool and maintain at least 90% uptime for the first month and 95% uptime for the following months over the next 30-day period with at least one GPU. Yep, that's it. The giveaway prize will be sent directly to the mining address and nowhere else, so please do not mine directly to an exchange. Rewards may be lost as a result. This is all on top of their normal weekly loyalty program, and starting on 8/19, all the parallel asset fees will be cut in half. Please go check out fluxpools.net for a great place to mine.
Okay, entire thing stripped down. As you can see, back plates there. I got, this is like a metal heatsink plate that kind of goes through the back plate and pinches the PCB in between, and it holds the thermal pads down over here. I have my electrical tester in my hand. I was advised by Mr. Matt Electron to, over in the corner, I'll circle it on the screen, there is a little fuse, and he told me to check that to see if it has continuity going through it. So I'm going to check. If this thing beeps, then it should mean that that is fine. Other than that, I'm not really sure what's going on. I checked continuity on all of these capacitors right here and all of these guys, as well as these over here, these and these. Now these guys right here, I got nothing through. So something must be powering this that is making, obviously, the VRAM not be powered. So I don't know if it's those, but I'm not getting continuity through those, even though Matt Electron said that's not what it is or not how it's supposed to be. So let me put the camera down, and we're going to try to see if we can hear a beep. Right here is the fuse. So right, you just touch it, positive, negative. Okay. All right, so apparently the fuse is fine. Now I need to see if there's anything else, but You guys can let me know if you could see any red flags. I'll leave some pictures right here on the screen, and you guys can pause it if you would like. Try to check it out. But I did continuity tests, like I said, on the back side here. All these pins are the capacitors coming through. And like I said, these three right here did not give me any sort of beep, but these ones over here did, and they're the same thing. So let me show you the noise here, and then we'll see if we get one over there as well. There we go. Continuity test here and here. Okay, then we'll do the same thing over here for the ones farther down. So as you can see, nothing. Now I'm not sure if that means they're dead or not, but there's three of them, so I assume something is sending power to those. So if anybody knows, again, this is an RX 580 MK2 for anybody that does not know. I don't think anything was done wrong. I didn't brush it too hard. I did all of them exactly the same as you guys know. So hopefully this is fixable. If it's not, then is what it is. Worst case, this thing made its money back. I purchased this for $169 back before the bull run, actually, right at the beginning of COVID, when that whole thing was happening and I was getting into mining. That's when I got this off eBay used. So this thing has ran and done its job for years, and probably years before me, to be honest. So, I mean, I can't be really too upset. But guys, let me know if this has ever happened to you, if you've ever killed a GPU, down in the comments below. I mean, I guess I'll just take the bullet for this one and say I killed it, because it was working fine up until yesterday. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out.